Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Tech It Simple. Today, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your profile picture on Threads. Keep watching the video till the end to change your profile picture on Threads. Firstly, go ahead and launch/open your Threads application. The homepage of Threads application will appear on the screen. Click on the profile icon at the bottom right side of the page. You will end up on your profile section of Threads account. Tap on Edit Profile option, then click on your profile picture from the pop-up option. Tap on New Profile Picture. You can select your profile picture from your gallery or click a picture from a camera. Then, tap on Done. This is how you can change profile picture on Threads application quickly and easily, just in a few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.